In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get on Uber Eats. We will walk through getting the app and signing in so you can start ordering. First, open your App Store. On Android, that is the Google Play Store icon. On iPhone, it is simply called the App Store. Take a second to confirm you see the usual featured apps and a search bar at the top, so you know you are in the right place. Now, use the search feature in your store and type Uber Eats. Then start the search. You should see a list of apps appear. The official app usually has the Uber Eats logo with the word Eats in green, and it is published by Uber Technologies. A quick check of the publisher name helps you avoid installing a lookalike app. Once the results load, select the official Uber Eats app from the list. Tap on it to open the app page. Here you will see the app icon, the full name Uber Eats, food delivery, and the install button for Android or the get button for iPhone, plus ratings and screenshots. Seeing these details confirms you are about to install the correct app. Next, tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. On iPhone, you may also see a cloud icon instead of the word Get if you installed it before. You might be asked for your fingerprint, face unlock, or your store password. After you confirm, the download bar will begin to fill, and then the button will change to Open. That change is your sign the app is fully installed and ready to use. From there, tap Open right in the store or find the new Uber Eats icon on your home screen and tap it. When the app launches for the first time, you will usually see a simple welcome screen with the Uber Eats logo and a sign in or create account option. If the screen briefly shows a loading spinner, that is just the app preparing for the first use. At this point, sign in with your existing Uber account or create a new account if you do not have one. The same email and password that you use for regular Uber rides will also work for Uber Eats, so you do not need a separate login. When you sign in, the app may ask for permission to use your location. Allowing location helps Uber Eats find nearby restaurants and set your delivery address more quickly. After you finish signing in or creating your account, the main Uber Eats home screen appears with restaurants, search, and your account icon. That means you are now fully set up and ready to browse and order. You have now installed Uber Eats on your phone and signed in so you can start ordering food for delivery. If this helped you get into Uber Eats, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple app guides.